Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to yet another reaction. My name is TT. I am from Botswana, but I currently live here in the US of A. So one of my new favorite artists, is not a new artist, new favorite artist, because I work with him. So this is my favorite. I cannot work with him if he's not my favorite. Anyway, Stretch. I know if you're from Botswana, you know what that name means in the music industry of Botswana. This guy is huge, man. Huge, huge, huge. Most underrated artist. But today we are changing that narrative, okay? So here we go. We have a song with the go with the go. One with the go. I say go with the go. One with the go. This is the first time I'm watching this video. I've reacted to one of his videos before, and I don't know. I feel like I reacted to his videos and I didn't fully know who he was as an artist. Honestly, I'm guilty. Guilty as charged. Anyway, let's get to the song. And I hope that you're going to check out his YouTube page, which will be on the link down below. Subscribe to his YouTube page. You know what I mean? So if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Botswana, stand up, okay? Hey.
I am the one with the go. I am the one with the go. I am the one with the go. Vaseline, I am the glow. Cannot take shine off my clothes. Stepping like I own the club. Stepping like I own the club. Demons all over the globe. I am the one with the go. I am the one with the go. I am the one with the.
Yo, like this guy, guys, like this artist right here. And when we're talking about artists, we're not talking about like somebody who can do one thing. This guy can do all the things. You're probably one of your favorite songs from Botswana probably was involved in it. And what can I say? What can I say? Anyway, guys, please go to Stress YouTube page right now and show him love, support, everything. You guys from Zambia, you already know him too, because he is infiltrating your industry as well. Malawi, all over Africa. Soon. Okay, this sounds like a threat, but
I am the one with the go. You amateur, I'm a pro.
Hey.
I am too hot, you were cold. I am the new, you were old. I am a snack like your love. 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 You be on diet for what? Don't be sleeping on the job. Not when I'm about to blow. From Durban to Dar es Salaam. I am the one with the go. I am the one with the go. I am the one with the go.
Hey.
I am the one with the go. To sit like I've got the gold. That you put on the ice so they know. Put on the suit so they know. Pull up slowly so they know. When you look at me, then you know. I chop money, I'm gonna go. I chop money, I'm gonna go. I chop money, I'm gonna go. There's too much money in my hole.
like I don't know. I've been reacting to a lot of artists' music from like 2021 or something like that. I have never interacted with an artist who is so humble and can do everything: acting, fashion, modeling, producing, singing, dancing, you name it. I don't know. I feel like he can do everything. He can do oh my god.
I am the one with the go. Charlie, you know what is up. Charlie, you know what is up. Charlie, you deal with the boss.
Hey.
Charlie, you know when I show up. Charlie, you know people jealous. Charlie, you know people jealous. But Charlie, you know say it's enough. So tell me when you've had enough. Cause you know I'm going for blood. This thing is never gonna stop. I'm on my way to the top. I'm on my way to the top. So tell me when you've had enough. So tell me when you've had enough. When you've had enough of this love.
See, the thing is, I'm half Ghanaian, so I am allowed to talk with a pseudo accent without this repercussion. Understand what I'm saying?
your
with the God.
excuse? What is the excuse of Africa for not dancing to this music? You know what I mean? Like,
I am the one
there
with
is
the
no
God.
excuse.
I am the one with the God. I am the one with the God. I am the one with the God.
Oh man.
I am the one with the God.
Oh, what a fun, beautiful stuff, man. Like, please go check out Stretch's YouTube page. I will link it down below, definitely. I don't normally link YouTube channels on my things, but this one is an exception, okay? So please, if you've seen this video right now, go check out his YouTube page, because there is a lot of range. Like, I'm fit in the frame. You see what I mean? Like, this is what I'm talking about. There's like a huge thing going on around Stretch that you guys have not been appreciating. And especially you guys from Botswana and Ghana as well. Ghana. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys on the other side. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you do not miss any of the uploads on the channel. I will see you guys on that side.